Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Alibaba account permanently. First of all, launch open Alibaba application. You can see over here Alibaba application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the My Alibaba icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for delete account. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the information regarding account deletion over here. If you delete your account, all of your personal and account data will be completely deleted. You won't be able to place new orders or get refunds for the past orders. You'll lose access to any remaining coupons, credit and membership benefits. Over here, what you have to do is simply select the reason why you're leaving. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So what you have to do is open the Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Alibaba has sent me the email. Tap on the email that Alibaba has sent. Now in this email you'll be able to find the verification code. You can memorize this code or also copy the code if you want. If you want to copy the code, tap on this option copy that you can see on the screen. Now go back to the Alibaba application. Now what you have to do is simply enter the verification code over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be able to see the final note before account deletion. Make sure to read these informations very carefully. You'll be able to see all the data that will be deleted if you delete your account. These data include access permissions for sign-in and account management, all cart items, saved items, etc. Simply read all this information. Now check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing that you understand the consequences and you want to permanently delete your account. Now tap on this option delete account that you can see on the screen. After that, your account will permanently be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete Alibaba account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.